Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make a special and very flavorful German meatloaf named Pizza-Fleischkäse. This variation of Leberkase gets this name because it has pizza toppings in the meatloaf mixture. In this recipe I use one of the most common Pizza-Fleischkäse ingredients, which are bell pepper and cheese cubes. In the south of Germany, it is a very popular office lunch or snack while shopping, where it is eaten as kind of a Bavarian burger in a bun.
All right, get your lederhosen out and let's get started.
Add the ground beef and the ground pork to a bowl and chill in the freezer. Crush the ice cubes, add them to a bowl and place them also in the freezer. Peel the onion, cut it into 8 pieces and add them to the food processor. Then cut the bacon into inch-sized pieces and add them to the food processor. Add the garlic paste to the food processor and mince everything finely. Then transfer the mixture to a large bowl and place in the freezer to chill. Now you can dice the cheese and the bell peppers into half-inch pieces and preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Remove the ice and the ground meat from the freezer and add about 3 cups of ground meat, 1 cup of ice, salt, pepper and marjoram to the food processor and mince finely. Depending on the size of your food processor, you can add more or less of the meat and ice. Make sure you add only as much as your food processor can handle, fast and easy. It is important that your ingredients stay as cold as possible. Transfer the meat paste to the bowl with the ground bacon mix and repeat until all meat is finely minced. Now the slightly messy part starts, and I like to use gloves to do this. Mix all ingredients well by hand, then add the bell pepper and cheese cubes and mix again. Now you are ready to transfer the meat paste to bread pans. I never oil them as the meat mixture has enough fat that I never had an issue. getting the meatloaves out of the pan. Press the meat mixture down and tap the loaf pans a couple of times to obtain a compact loaf without air pockets. Now you can sit back and bake the meatloaves for about 1 to 1.5 hours. Leave the meatloaves in the pan for about 10 minutes to cool down. Pour out the excess water and place the meatloaves on a cutting board. Cut into finger-thick slices and enjoy on a roll with some ketchup or mustard, or serve with roasted potatoes and a side salad. If you don't use the Leberkäse immediately, you can reheat it in the microwave or in a frying pan with some oil or butter. Guten Appetit!